How to change your password inside of your Netflix account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how to change your Netflix account's password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change the password for your Netflix account, all you have to do is first go ahead and then launch the Netflix application, and then once you launch the Netflix application, make sure that you're signed into your account. And after you're signed into your account, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon from the top right, and then here you'll find the option called account. And as you tap on the account option over here, you'll be taken to this page where you have to scroll down, and if you look over here you'll find the option called change password. So you just need to tap on change password. Now in order to change your password, you can simply enter your current password and then enter the new password that you would like to use and tap on the save button. But if you do not remember your current password, you can tap on this forgot password button, and then it will take you to a page where you have to verify either with your email address or your text messages. So depending upon whatever payment info or whatever credentials you've kept on your account, just choose one of these methods and tap on the email me button. Once you do that, it will send an email or a code to your specific email. Make sure you have access to it, and when you tap on that link, you'll be taken to a page where you can simply enter the new password without having to remember your old password. And that is basically how you can change the Netflix password of your account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.